say Diolamma don't come outside go expose Pastor Vam for the things new plan where they get to hijack the Biafra government in exile. My people, let me play this video for you to watch from beginning to end before we come back and continue.
Common age everybody until abanye declare Biafra or the soil coach is that immediately declare Biafra and they dissolve Biafran government. They dissolve everybody. Well, it's shovel ndị ejele yije everybody. So mgbe nke na-afụ half ya na wrist ala wee gbu ya or hijack ya fundraising. Wee je kpọkụnọta ndị ụchụ a na-abịa fundraising before. Oh, no, watch the fundraising yesterday. All these stupid people be at that fundraising. Majority non go because they can get the good in by people. Anybody on if you don't get kill it, or go under that person. Or I be a hogonya. You go mother na yaro, or nego go Biafra money kwa. Go fa. Onye mo ogen kele in America, and the money mo ogen kele in America. Ogen kele is a mechanic man. Oh, one or she penny on top one. I will not to go see. At least see afia na area. Or this bolo coat on a at times oversized. Shows you that no young one way. Ojana Washington DC. Jogan Kelly. Even in on the Jana Washington, Muddy Jana Washington DC. Then what do you mean? It doesn't make sense. Nina Jana Washington DC. Can if him why did he now Ojana pose where's a picture? Now what Washington DC? Why be Jaya from Finland? Why you want to get a quote here? A criminal like him, even away go. Now your success can jog it. You will take care of Fundami. Why is your boom as by? Why are you sabotaging our boys? And a buha. Why is you and Jeff Gun and if I go now with us home mad? Oya keji will stop because the boys are bene, the boys are kwana, that they are dying and hungry. Kwana and they go where they take care of these boys. Good can kill it. I divide him out the Biafran money. And you get go take care of our boys. Good can kill I divide the money. Neri. Why are you chogi? Why are you when you vote of confidence? Vote of no confidence. I'm not gonna meet in Abia. A delegate in Abia. Why is it at the meeting? Every with name. At least the guys are going to if I'm apology. He also. Before I know it, you hijack an account on a Biafra land. You hijack the account. Good okay, get on hijack the account. Hijack one of the account. Will I get account to her? Will I the money? They take care of our angels who must sacrifice their life. You eat the money. Good okay, kill it. All the propaganda fundraising yesterday, we saw it. Biafrans are watching. Okay, say me fundraising before. If you are intelligent, now all the criminals, all this rubbish she yesterday, how can he pray intelligent? How do you donate the money? Can they be Biafrans? Can they the soldier? Onya on house the soldier. Onya on the angel. I come to donate for our angel. Even in other donate before for our angel, can they donate here? On unu bezi yesterday of Uzriche. All no fundraising and every Saturday. Came yesterday. Nke yesterday of Riche. Ya na anama joge nkele na ndo kabala opokorotara. Umurabi shade afu before I be donate for her. For how many days go ye last? For how many days go ye last? For how many weeks go ye last? Don't worry. You own our force. I be last long. Here's more than them, but they get the consign. I watching. Let me tell people something. Biafra na fuzo. All this cabal son na form. Ogen kela Agbarawa that ni we sabo. Onya kiji we force any suspension. Now I'm about to be. You be very careful about this man. No ogen kela is a saboteur akuchi the whole cabinet no ya. And I'm warning him again for Agbarawa. You have to be very careful. That's Agbarawa is a sabo. I want to go me alive from origin, but the Bazo and Gaddafi. Say, be careful of this useless guy. No, not here for Biafra. Anama Umuibo. Umuibo Mununze Mwaza. Umaka Jofanine. ma nwoke ma nwaanyị dị ya nụ maka na nwa afọ Igbo ọnwụ na nwoke ọnwụ na nwoke Igbo wụ ji ọfọ because na amụrụ ya n'obi nwa ọnwụ na amụrụ n'obi nna ya ji ọfọ iwu dị ọkpara ma iwu ọnwa iwu dị ọkpara hensị na aja na obi nna gị metụrụ gị enyego gị ọfọ nna gị mgbe anyị ebinyi elugo unu agbazine nkịtị anyị nwa unu anọkọtakwana slide ya nọ ebe anyị nọ kịta our Biafran cabinet dị intact o nwere ife mere the cabinet mmadụ cabinet member one ka unu fụrụ na this rubbish emele ha cabinet member one ka unu fụrụ na this rubbish emele ha cabinet member one unu ya afụ cabinet member ha ya apụta this week bịa dress unu ọ Biafrans oge nkele mgbe aka complete sọsọ ebe ọma anya wa ego because ego aka o ji azụ onwe n'oge nkele wa ọgaranya today we go Biafra if not I'm of Biafra ọgaranya before who know him nobody a criminal sọsọ ebe ọ dị after money hensị na ya weta ego chala acha from ndị na-eweta 30 euro abụ ndị na-eweta 20 euro ekpaba unique and pools ọkpọ chụpụ mfa eche na banya na-ebutere gị ndị Biafra ndrezin nya na m achọ ka nna ebe 1000 na-ada achọrọ m ị na ebe 1000 na-ada na ọnwụ na ọnwa ego Biafra ka ị were nyefa ka ha donate because it good na something like that propaganda na ọnwụ ego Biafra ka ị were ka this useless ụmụ mosquito ikpokọnatara bịa na korobish mama how many days I eme ya wife mama how many days eme ya wife ọnwụ na ọnwa ya ka ikpokọnatara were ego Biafra nye ha because it good na ya if ị na-eme any coordinator ọnwụna na-ada na your own igonwu ikuluko something boye ewerezi onye ọfụ tinye iwerezi ego na sponsor that onye ọfụ apụta ego obodo a donate 1000 2000 kwari na onwe anybody donate but say na ndị donate ego ahụ nobody will call their names ọnwụ na ego oge ka o wee confuse ọbata obie ka asị na ọ na-eweta ego ka e were pose the person ewere somebody na-alụ ọrụ uto obi chụpụ ya ife oge nkere na-eme so all this rubbish will stop so we go when we can ego the whole people go fanchani na for A to Z igwu ara na iji ego na o nwere ibe ị nidiri oge nkele hansi na ya ma na o nwere ike use go for something oge nkele send ego Biafra money o ji ego Biafra ego ndị banyị na-atụtakwa instead onye na-esend ndị army oge nkele were na-ego bi ndị cabinet na-ego bi some useless people coordinators any coordinators say from that place presently his contact this thing yesterday oge nkele buy that person off anybody because he watch ya the whole coordinator how many coordinator come there how many coordinator and I promise all the coordinators all that no na resign all na ewepụ to be a coordinator for that state Kamaza no oge nkele will be a Biafran government let us go there if you don't resign a change yegi imana ma fight Dr. Ngozi Olabeze if Ngozi Olabeze don't stand up and we do his job and resign all these useless mosquitoes that represented the county yesterday upon order, those people will resign. Another person. Let us do this game. One person can never carry on a government. Biafra, we have government. And then when you do the not on the Nakwasre. I'm always there, baby, Akwaka. Okay, can I hijack the government account? Or hijack change everything within one day. The Biafran government will open another account. So, on what anything make many on this information. On your the Lina and say was all a base. Van neighbor when who yesterday this program. Anybody on Tinyelego na new mandate account. Now the Biafran government now I can actually dress our Amandani. Because if I just out of hand. I can do more, my angel. You good Butos, I love you so much. Holy Ghost, I love you so much. Unu ni na undu di umu weekend na na about today unu wa melenji aba. Unu ekpokpene. Ka these people drag ya unu. drag you to this rubbish. Onwekwe anything unu na ndị ebiro. Unu amala ndị fa na alụlụ ọlụ. Bikonu. Bikonu. Unu ekwezine ka a na-akpa afọ unu like this. Unu bukwa ọfọ. Unu bukwa ọfọ. Unu bu afọ ajan. Unu ekwekwe na ka alụ eme ụmụ Igbo. Anything ọwụna mere unu today eme n'ụmụ Igbo. Isi ọwụna wala unu today awago ụmụ Igbo. We have nobody awụnụ. So ihe na-agba m anya mmiri. Because na mgbe abata obi no nobody talk. Onye na announce afọ unu. The only thing I know abia ya kene our angel. That is the end. Nobody hear about your name. When I look at it now. Onye criminal. A sellout like Vam na Koziama. My loss. Nke with that in all season that unu ye jede gunde bai. No one on your done for donation. Oh, ask him, hey, this madam Onyenana about this laws. A man true. And when inside me believe in that new our angel. Because own our angel kewo. I didn't show him when he fall. Now this rubbish. Nke Vam said that he is jede bu nde bai. No one about their fundraising Saturday. Hey! I will play the program. Vam yesterday. Kono Juziamu Biafrans. Onye dundo. Se na support. Obato bie. Na support. Nje munwere onwe. Onwere ike imepe ọnụ. Wee kwuo ibe Vam kwuru yesterday. Now we return back. Get on thing. Continue the program.
Rocks, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, listen to me. I am the self-acclaimed armor bearer of the Prime Minister of the Biafra.
You are a stupid guy. You are a queen, a saboteur of Obato Bie, Prime Minister Simon Ekpa-Joko. Because on damn Guinea, Kifani ne zubi ani ne mezu unu we because ebo na stop because unu talia na nka na connect the dot ife mela Obato Obie now can I connect the dot no joke to can see that na ndu jo Obato Obie with fajijidie now can I connect the dot ndi sabotage our Obato Obie with even this guy mere here ogwago the truth. Biafrans, I will never lie because even Madi Kurunono can you judge that person. Here may better after that when Edika go Biafra and name with the bodies many they out because if I'm in Finland the Trofananya, he believe in that may have the kind of determined I did. Now will be do this thing so that those people will say, oh, Mbao. Oh yeah, Amelia. So I would that in a my men in Finland I walk. No one's in the Biareno, Nikene Bube, Manen and those for Goslia, Ogen Kelly, a sabotage. Now walk with the Nigerian government with this idiot. I go on all the time. That's a way you will each way. But don't allow that I won't lay a curse on you. No, because you have laid a curse on yourself. Let us see how it will happen. Let us know, see how it will happen. Then I can then I get to kill only favor
the Republic government in exile. Commander Ross is the boss and the commander of all commanders in the Biafra Defense Forces and Biafra Liberation.
Commander Ross, the only thing now you will be too, sir. Oh, be too, sir. Now, no, because we believe. I can never believe in this world. A believe woman on my own. The only person on our power for ya like this in Butuzo. I want Jiji. I put a moye Jumaro. I'm yes. No man. No. Never in this world can believe Vonya. Because we don't see the face of that person. Anybody can claim anything. Anybody can claim any nonsense. When they tweet, we believe Vonya. So Van the Agba, who is behind of these laws? I don't know him. But I know my own angel. Akaji of Igbo. Akaji of Mo. Akaji of Mado. Akaji of Mirina. Akaji of, oh my God. No, it's not possible. I don't even know. A man sacrificed everything. A man sacrificed everything, sacrificed his life for him to save our people. I can never believe this. Never in this world. When we go Butuzo, only in Anonumu, Anya Milan Nanya. You go Butuzo, you have to talk. You have to find us. Oh my God. Oh, we're going to be public. Papa na phone. What no go? Igwe Butuzo because what no go? Igwe Butuzo. What no go? Papa na phone. What no go? I believe no. I never believe. Believe no go. I can never believe. None again to Madam, sorry. None again.
Army. Anything Commander Ross does is to protect and defend Biafra and to defend the Biafra Prime Minister. If you declared Biafra today, it is because you have Commander Ross.
Okay.
If you have pride and love for your Prime Minister today,
shut up. Why you just boy Igwe Butuzo? You wanna call Ross? We don't know who this person called us. And we don't know him. I want to be not to be one day silos. Or not to be for these guys. Or not to be for at all. Or not to be call their names na public. Because there is something hidden. There is a secret between these people. Our angel is their name. And they will remain the angel that I know. Because I know that the angel in Kemo they can never disappoint us. Then they can never plan evil against us. And we sacrifice to save our life. But I see how many days now? Lost. It's like now this person and lost. Now this people that know, but they may advertisement can we incomplete their mission after they made today. Again, I cannot believe complete. Nenyami mango that know who my Igwe Butuzo and do the Holy Ghost or biahu kedafayano all these gallant men. Oh my God. No. Kinda agent.
it is because you have Commander Ross and his boys. If Biafra have an army today that the zoo is afraid of, is because we have the Ghost Rider, Commander Ross. I am not looking for any position. In fact, going forward, I relinquish any title I have in the Biafra.
Oh, he needs to go. From now going on, any ways to go title onward in a government. Because all the go lady to destroy. All the lady because these people be no can kill it. They are not recruiting Dami. Not recruiting Dami. Nazo Batobie with the signature of Batobie, not recruiting Dami. Not recruiting Dami. And Batobie one idea. This one can kill it. Only for today. Don't worry, I will give you the proof. And when me kick up my maro, that these people have signed with the Nigerian government. Panel recruit and damage will fight the Biafran government. Ego can kill an attack of our angels can atroya. Ego you will make people like you will do first to that morning. Because I know about Obie, no, I was that I may fundraising one Saturday. Me fundraising. if you had any mean before that morning. Can we make him the criminals when they go kunota? The criminals when they go kunota by this man Anapo Kedefa this idiot Anapo Kedife Anapo ya. Kedife Anapo ya. Kedife Anapo this guy I design from this thing. It is on me if that guy. Ejibun picture that guy. Me actually the picture. Put on here. On when caterpillar send him picture this Kedafiano. This this idiot. Kedafiano. Ya no gen kele na. Kedafa this guy. Success ndo no munnem. Success. Igwe ogen kele. Na vam. Na success. You know recruit another army. Even now go to Biafra and kwasi with his signature about obie. Panel recruit another army. You are fighting Biafran government. Actually, go to jail and kill it. Onende kind of vam. Na success na lolo. Onende ka vam. Na success na lolo. Ozigbo. Pano that no but obie. Pa broke account on a buy. It was a one enough my account or so go here. It go on yanka so I ya. Goes to now control the account. Uncle Yaman and the account to since. Go to no case no go. And I am details or tundo. Sibit one is no yana for my account. You're going in account. I can kill a CZ yana this success. With your other man again. With that woman on Nekumakia. Then I go get in America. Pam account in America. Hey, change got in them. Osbo changes and certain things in me. Jack Yanka also. Oko makabia Franzana Maguno Ezoku. Van kule ba said that na in it ye gonna bandage. Chelenu. Mandate. Biafran Sachon Kunu J na account. Biafran government. Jen www.ipob.org. in us.org. Jenna unu jerona yafu all the three accounts. Na unu yafu new one mandate. Nia mu wana make my own contribution with the new mandate. Eating your hana a neg receipt ozugbo. Exactly the same. Now can van na abandon mado because no one can get a one in charge. New mandate. All can get in charge. Na new mandate. Oya ka van na gbazo ndị mmadụ onye tie ego na that new mandate get ntị kono no ripo kwuru ebe a ana m agba
government. My title going forward is Pastor Vam.
Yes,
the self-acclaimed.
shut up. His title going forward is Pastor Vam. Ochi hapana aso na Pastor Vam. Vam has gone back because all complete got his mission by sabotaging the struggle. By sabotaging our batobie. Vam from now going on. Because now sack die. Madam Boy sack yam okuye. Now Vam complete that not complete go his mission. By sabotaging our batobie and by sabotaging the struggle. Now auto honor to Vam was deputy or was honorable. No. Then they gente.
I'm a bearer of the Prime Minister. And I am loyal to the authority of Commander Ross.
Yes, you see.
The Ghost Rider.
What up? All this is loyal. Not all about obie. Vam is loyal to laws. Hello?
Morning.
Good morning.
Because we don't know.
So now, Vam, I was loyal to Simon Eba. Njoko di obata obie. Ibe van duzi yawo onyo mazi na obidio yawo laws. Laws. Who is this laws? I don't know him. Because nothing capable for the name. And I hear because hence not bon. The given you wait for us no butus or yawo laws. Which in a way believe for. And we be believe me. Never I will believe this rubbish. Why laws? Who is this laws? Or is he loyal to? I'm on your I'm well on them. Let's van you can do with this laws. Onye na akpọ me be stop we maka iwe ye ewem. Akpọzi them ọzọ. Mgbe ye jikpo phone you can call phone and tell me whatever you want to tell me, but for now stop. Kedu onye u disi laws are? Van says that na ya from now na ya nwe to wone everything. Basara Biafran government. The title. Now what is the loyal to laws? None against Biafrans.
He is the reason why we have Biafra to be proud of today. And his boys, his men on ground, in every territory of Biafra. And so, all this badadash of no fundraising, this, no fundraising that, dissolved this, dissolved that, is all badadash. We are Biafrans, and we are loyal to our Prime Minister, Obatobi Simon Ekpa. If there's anybody that is not concerned that our Prime Minister have not spoken to us in the past 16 to 17 days, that person, you go collect.
You see?
You see?
Van de kuzi you go collect. Because na be to get a bill to go criminal. You go collect. Van na gazi or a pastor. Pastor sunu pele for good 1 week. Van me pastor. I'll be confused. I'm an cook and call jeje. O man o jeje keke. O man o jeje keke. O man o jeje umurunwa. O man e boy akban waje ben dedicate. Is he not rubbish?